More and more people want to interact with brands that care about sustainability. 85% of consumers have said they're now buying more sustainable products than 5 years ago. At the same time, 1 in 5 of the world's 2,000 largest publicly listed companies have committed to producing next to no emissions by 2050. More investors also care about environmental, social, and governance issues. Many are choosing to invest in companies that take ESG into account. More than a quarter of investors say ESG is central to their investment approach.
We're only just at the beginning of the energy transition, which is a multi-decade change that will affect all of our lives. At the same time, we're seeing a greater focus on social affairs post-pandemic. The combination of those two factors means there is a lot of change risk out there that people are coming to CME Group to manage.
A growing number of investors want to invest with impact. They want to assist the energy transition and improve their own returns by buying sustainable and green-focused investments. By 2030, global assets into ESG-focused investments could climb to $30 trillion, up from about $8 trillion in 2020. Sustainability-focused financial products are also helping companies finance their transition to net zero. Whether it's green bonds, sustainability-linked loans, or other financing arrangements, environmental products can help companies manage climate risks, increase revenues, and help them meet their sustainability goals. Over the next 5 to 10 years, the sustainable finance market is expected to balloon in value. Sustainable global transaction banking is estimated to grow to $35 billion by 2025, while $9.2 billion must be spent on physical assets every year for the world to reach net zero emissions. Investors and companies need products and services that can help them achieve their goals and manage their risk, whether it's generating positive returns responsibly or financing their transition to net zero. CME Group has several environment offerings to help businesses and investors do just that.
Sustainable products have been some of the fastest growing parts of our portfolio at CME Group. The S&P 500 ESG futures product has been a tremendous success. What's happened is we've taken the most popular, widely followed equity index on the planet, the S&P 500, and screened it for companies that some investors may find problematic. That's become extremely popular with investors because it enables people to manage risk to the broad 500, yet without having any exposure to some of those companies that they don't want to see in their portfolio. And on the commodity side, battery metals, bioenergy, and voluntary carbon together have been some of the fastest growing launches of recent decades. There's incredible appetite for new products to help companies manage transition risk, and that's what we're providing.
Businesses and investors want to see change, but the transition to net zero will need a lot of collaboration and effort. Large-scale change also requires widespread investment, both figurative and literal, from all stakeholders. The entire industry, along with CME Group, will continue to evolve its products to help companies and investors to contribute to a more sustainable economic future.